Welcome to Understand the Math. In this question, we're asked to write the following linear system of equations as a matrix equation. Let's go ahead and highlight that. And then as a vector equation. A matrix equation looks like this. We have a matrix A times a vector X is equal to a right-hand side, which we typically call B. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our linear system right here, and we're going to divide it up into a matrix times a vector X times a right-hand side. Our matrix A is going to be 1, 2, 2, 3, and then 4 minus 6. And notice that we have an x1 and x2, so that goes into our vector X. And then we have a right-hand side, which is equal to 4, 5, and 8. So that's how to write a linear system of equations as a matrix equation. Now let's go ahead and let's write our linear system as a vector equation. I think this one is always a little bit harder because you have to remember what the form of a vector equation looks like. So a vector equation looks like this. We have x1 times a1 plus x2 times a2 is equal to our right-hand side, b. The x1 is all by itself, so let's pull the x1 out. Then we're going to create a1. So a1, if we look back at our linear system up above, it's going to be those constants. And then our a2 is going to be those constants. So our a1 is 1, 2, 4. And then we add x2. And we have our a2, which is 1, 3, minus 6. And then on the right-hand side, we have our vector b, which is equal to 4, 5, and 8. And that's how to write a linear system of equations as a vector equation.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.